Why are you
So
loud
with
your... You understand?
How did you get out of the car?
Now come on, Hamlet, calm down, sit on that chair. We're having waffles.
Somebody!
Yes, that's right, you're somebody and I built you in the lab and I'm sorry about that.
I chose the character of the dragon.
That was a bump.
Oh, there it is, the manor,
Lafayette Manor, here we go. Fucking Batman.
Whoa.
There, that weird hole is there. Wait. So sometimes it just sounds like someone really enthusiastically brushing their teeth. And I thought maybe you were right. Maybe it's just like, maybe the hole is like on the back wall of the Jeffersons and I'm here in their bathroom and they're brushing their teeth. But there's some
Times have changed.
No, as in like, if you're ringing up because you want me to talk dirty to you over the phone, now's not appropriate. I've my hands full.
You got your hands full?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
What was that?
I think that was your end, actually.
Hold on a minute.
What's that?
That's the sound of some milk bottles. We have some milk.
Oh yeah, I think that's just
Some late night milk.
It's just like that cartoon you love.
Seems like we are still evenly matched, Andrews.
I hired this actor. He just pretends to do DIY things the whole time.
I know I don't have to do noises myself, but I like to do it. All these years I've been conducting, driving a train alone. Not alone anymore, am I?
No.
Got you?
Yes.
Yes.
Right here with you. Just the two of us.
Just the two of us, riding the silver rail. Always riding. Never stopping. No leaves on the track down here. Not a single leaf to be found. Because there's no trees. And if you don't have trees, you don't have leaves. No signal failures neither. The signals can't fail if you never send them.
I thought we were stopping for a moment.
No, the train doesn't stop.
Never?
No, we just go round and round.
Oh, I didn't want to go round and round for...
We never start, my dear. Now you're on the silver rails. You ride and ride.
No!
And ride into the blackness.
No!
Out into the never after. Out into the... We done? And ever and ever.
But what if you don't?
What do you mean, what if you don't?
What if you can't?
DIY, wait, you were going to do it yourself?
Yeah. I was gonna marry what here?
Oh, I thought you were just gonna just fuck him off.
What kind of clock is this, Dad?
Well, this one's actually a bit of a classic, okay? This is an 1840s model, okay? So it's very valuable, okay? And
Cool.
I've been working on it for, well, quite a while, you know. Don't be scared. It's just weather, you know. I'm saying that to you, of course. I'm saying, don't you be scared. Yes.
I'm not scared of thunderstorms.
Oh, I am. I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm a grown man. I am a grown man. I'm your father.
Are you scared of thunderstorms,
No,
Dad?
I am not. Why would I be? I know that they're just a change in pressure. Oh, fudge.
It's a lot of layers in a philo.
I believe there's around 2 dozen.
Let's speed this up.
That'll
We're still
do.
doing at the same speed. Put the hammer on charge.
No witnesses. Oh, by the power of Grayskull.
All right, you front and I'll tongue. You know what I mean.
Aye.
Ding! 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 Ding!
Oh my goodness.
Ding!
I've never seen layers of philo so compacted.
Iron
Dad? Dad, is that you up there? Shing! That ladder nearly hit me in the face.
Fire.
Hey, Janet, with
Fire.
a K.
Who goes there?
No witnesses.
Oh, shit! We shouldn't be hanging around here. We should have got out of here.
You were meant to be on lookout. Where was the lookout for that guy?
Oh, I thought the work had finished. You buried the guy. Now we gotta bury another one. Oh, shit.
The tire. Why didn't it make the brake noise while accelerating?
Ring, ring.
Oh, that was my unlock code.
Ring, 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 beep. Call averted.
I guess I'll just try again.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Phone unlocked. Beep, 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 beep. Ring, ring.
We gotta get out of here!
Go to Arkansas!
It's still making the brake noise!
Well, let go of the brake,
Time to
bro!
kick it up to hyperdrive.
Hey, why don't you give me some of that ragtime?
Kind of really need a piano for wrecked. Okay.
Thank you.
Mega call unlock! Ring, 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 ring! Ring, ring!
Oh my god, it's so loud in my ear!
John. To the government, quickly, of Sandelisi now.
You take the wheel!
Oh my god, the old man's gaining on us!
Why?
Brian, bro!
What?
Bro! They just killed.
Oh, that's good, that is.
I know you're dying, Father. I'm gonna be here the whole way. Father, are you okay?
I don't know what that was.
I think that was a text message. Was it a text message?
I think it's a phone call.
Are you at home?
Yeah, Dad, me and Mom are just actually bonding. She seems in a really good mood tonight. Miss you lots. Hope everything's going well at the station.
Need to talk to you.
Well, Dad, we're both home, and I think we both know what stories we're going to tell you about today. Not much happened.
Have you seen my gun?
Yeah, Dad, it's right here in the drawer. Click. Send photo. Siri, send photo. Send
Like I said, you're not so good with the speaking.
Send photo. There's your gun. There's your
Because
gun.
I got the phone in the UK.
Why do you have my gun?
I don't have your gun, Dad. It's in the drawer. That's where I took the picture of it.
I wish I hadn't started this.
What do you mean you wish you hadn't started this?
Sorry, autocorrect.
What were you trying to say?
Sorry, I wish I hadn't farted this.
Oh, Dad, did you forget to take your IBS medication today? Dr. Kowinski says you gotta take that every morning.
I'll be home in 5 minutes.
Okay, Dad. Love you. Oh, look, the dots are bouncing.
5% off at Costco.
We really need to update that phone.